Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to permanently delete your account with Pocket Option. In order to do so, first off, here we are at pocketoption.com, and as you can see, we're all logged in. What we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner, you'll see the account icon, and if you click on that, then from here you can select where it says Profile. Once we are on the profile page, then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see this big delete account button here at the bottom of the page. You can go ahead and click on that and go through the steps and you will have successfully deleted your account with Pocket Option. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.